This land was never alive, only silence and endless sand. No water, no life, not even a single drop of hope. Everything that tried to grow here failed.
The sun ruled this land with unbearable heat.
Days passed, but nothing ever changed.
A place forgotten by life itself. No one believed this desert could ever change. Until one idea challenged the impossible. And then, humans decided to fight the desert. Then, technology arrived where nature had failed. Harnessing the power of wind.
Turning invisible air into life-giving water.
For the first time, water touched this land.
Powered by the endless energy of the sun.
A perfect balance of wind and light, creating a new future. Water began to flow directly into the heart of the desert.
The dry sand slowly transformed into living soil.
And then, life itself was brought into the desert. From distant lands, life arrived in the middle of the desert.
Fresh green grass brought from across the world. A color this land had never seen before.
Date palm trees, carrying the promise of the future.
Every plant handled with care. Every step filled with hope.
From every corner of the world, life was gathered here. Slowly, the desert began to change its identity.
Preparing every inch for a new beginning.
But bringing life was only the beginning. The real work was about to start.
This was just the beginning. Now came the hard work.
Under the burning sun, they planted the seeds of life.
Every plant needed care. Every step demanded effort.
Day after day, they nurtured life in the harshest conditions.
Water was carefully delivered, drop by drop.
Keeping the system alive was a challenge of its own. From sunrise to sunset, the work never stopped.
Even through the night, they refused to give up.
And slowly, the desert began to respond.
The lifeless desert turned into a thriving paradise. In the heart of the desert, a vast paradise was born.
Thousands of date trees, heavy with rich, golden fruit. Every branch carrying the sweetness of success. Grown with patience, harvested with pride. What once was empty now feeds life. From nature's hands to human perfection.
In Saudi Arabia, a new transformation begins. Each date carefully selected for perfection. Purified, cleaned, and prepared. Only the finest are chosen. Perfectly dried, preserving natural richness. Then comes the touch of indulgence.
Wrapped in smooth, premium chocolate.
A perfect blend of nature and luxury.
Crafted to perfection in every detail.
Beyond the coating lies the true treasure.
A heart filled with natural sweetness.
Pure dates, enhanced, not replaced.
Every piece crafted to perfection. Presented with elegance and care.
A gift meant to be shared.
Wrapped with love for someone special.
Sent across distances, carrying emotions.
From Saudi Arabia to the hearts of the world.
Not just a sweet, but a story of transformation.